Hello everyone, are you feeling good? I hope so. Our lesson today is about factorization. In factorization, we have three cases. If you want to factorize any algebraic expression, you may use one case or two or even three cases of today. The first case, HCF or highest common factor. Second case, the difference between two squares. Third case, trinomial. If you want to factorize any algebraic expression, you will start with number 1, then number 2, then number 3. Number 1, HCF or highest common factor. You will take the highest common factor between terms. For example, 9x power 3 minus 6x power 2. 3 is the highest common factor between 9 and 6. So you would take 3. Also for x, you have x power 3 and x power 2. You can take x power 2 as a common factor. So you would take the lowest power of x. So now, if you take 3x power 2 as a common factor, it will be factorized into 3x power 2 bracket and inside bracket 3x minus 2. Another example, 15x power 2y minus 3x power 3y power 2. First, for numbers, you have to take the common factor between 15 and 3, which is 3. For x, you have x power 2 and x power 3. So you take the lowest power of x, which is x power 2. For y, you have y and y power 2. So you would take y power 1. Now, it would be factorized as 3x power 2y bracket. The remainder here will be 5 when we divide minus xy, the remainder in second term. So it's 3x power 2y bracket 5 minus xy. Number 2. Difference between two squares. First, I'd like to tell you that we have some numbers, we call them square numbers, like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so. The product of the number multiplied itself, like 36, 6 times 6, 49 is 7 times 7, 64 is 8 times 8, and so. Difference between two squares, it's like x squared minus y squared. We have here x squared or x power 2, which is x times x, and y squared, which is y times y, and between them we have minus. So we call this expression difference between two squares. To factorize like this expression, you have to open two brackets and take the square root of the first one, the square root of second one, and put them as a sum in first one and as a difference in second one. So x squared minus y squared equals bracket x plus y times the bracket x minus y. For example, 16x power 2 minus 36. As you know, 16x power 2, 4x times 4x, and 36 is 6 times 6. So we can write as 4x plus 6 times the bracket 4x minus 6. Another example, 4x power 6 minus 81. As you know, for x power 6, it's 2x power 3 times 2x power 3, and the 81 is 9 times 9. So now we can write two brackets, 2x power 3 plus 9 times 2x power 3 minus 9. Now we have a very special example. How can we factorize 50x power 3 minus 8 of x? First, as we said, you have to search about the highest common factor. Here we have highest common factor is 2x. So take 2x as common factor. Now you have 25x power 2 minus 4. 25x power 2 minus 4 is a difference between two squares. As 25x power 2 is 5x times 5x and 4 is 2 times 2. So now we can write 2x bracket 5x plus 2 bracket 5x minus 2. Number 3, trinomial. In trinomial, you would find the algebraic expression in a form of ax power 2 plus b x plus c. To factorize it, you can use calculator. Using calculator, you can press mod, then 5, then 3. Now you can put the values of a and b and c. To enter the value every time, just write the value on the calculator and press enter. Now after writing this, just press enter. It will give you x1 and x2, which we can use them to find the answer. For example, x power 2 minus x minus 6. We have here a is 1, b is negative 1, and c is negative 6. Using calculator, it will give me x equals 3 and x equal negative 2. So x minus 3 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. So we can factorize x power 2 minus x minus 6 as x minus 3 times x plus 2. Another example, 36 x power 2 plus 5x minus 24. Using calculator, it will give you x1 and x2. x1 equals 3 over 4, which can be written as 4x equals 3 or 4x minus 3 equals 0. And x2 is negative 8 over 9, which can be written as 9x equal negative 8 or 9x plus 8 equals 0. It would be 4x minus 3 times 9x plus 8. Now we have the last example. Simplify. 2x power 3 minus 2x power 2 minus 12x over x power 2 minus 9. The denominator here is very easy because it's the difference between two squares, which can be factorized as two brackets, x minus 3 times x plus 3. What about numerator? We can take 2x as highest common factor between all terms. Now you have the numerator equals 2x times bracket x power 2 minus x minus 6. X power 2 minus x minus 6 is a trinomial. We can use calculator. We can factorize x power 2 minus x minus 6 into x minus 3 times x plus 2. So now we can simplify by dividing both numerator and denominator by x minus 3. It equals to 2x bracket x plus 2 over x plus 3. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like and share this video. See you.